A little bit of wasabi mayo. Hey, it's me, Andrea, and I'm in Vegas. Woo! Right now, I am on the LINQ Promenade, which is one of the newer areas in town, known for the awesome high roller. And since Vegas can be pretty pricey, I am on a mission to find the top 5 things to do under 50 bucks. And yes, you better believe alcohol will be included. I've got a need to drink. Cheers! At number 5 is the Brooklyn Bowl. It's amazing live music, it's bowling, it's food, it's a nightclub, it's everything. It's so much fun. And the best part about it is that on the most expensive days, Friday and Saturday, it's $25 per lane per half hour, but you can have 8 people per lane. So that means you can bowl for 8 hours straight before you hit $50. But that 8-hour bowling budget does not include alcohol. But you know what it does? OShea's beer pong. Oh yes, you can relive your college days or just continue them. It's just $24 for 2 pitchers of beer, 20 cups, and 2 balls. And each refill is only 10 bucks. It's a lot of booze.
You're 3 for 4 on that. You're killing it.
Yes, I was killing it, but apparently I do not have the luck of the Irish because I was playing with my friend IndyCar driver Connor Daly, and he won on the very last throw. Ugh! But you also need to eat, and Vegas has a lot of great culinary options, but they're also really, really expensive. So a lot of people come to the promenade because there's a lot of options that are affordable. And my favorite is JaBurritos. Bowls, we've got sushi cupcakes, the locally owned company. It's a healthy option. Like, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Vegas, landlocked, sushi, what are you doing, girl? I'm doing it and I'm loving it. Yeah. But if you're like me and sometimes like to have dessert first, there's also sprinkles right next door. This is so dangerous. And here we are. Woo! If you want the cupcakes without the calories, go to Nectar. It's my hidden gem. It's locally owned, filled with handmade, cruelty-free soaps. 3, 2, 1, bath bomb! Vegas is a desert, and I always underestimate how dry it is and how dry my skin gets. But all their soaps and lotions are heavy duty with moisture that you're gonna love. And we're at $43, and then add this, $52. You need a rubber ducky. At number 1, it's this puppy right behind me. It's the high roller, but not just going up, happy hour at the high roller. So this thing is actually the tallest moving observation wheel in the world. So they just roll in the bar when you buy the high roller happy hour. It's over 100 feet higher than the London Eye. And the London Eye doesn't have a happy hour. It doesn't even have yoga either. Yeah, you can do yoga over a happy hour. We are at the top of high roller, and this is the view. Check it out. You get the best view of this trip, and you get to drink and party. Like, this is something that you can do just as a pregame every single day. By far my favorite thing to do in Vegas, and it's under 50 bucks. And the best thing about Vegas is you can drink a drink. And bonus, there's a lot of free things to do at the LINQ Promenade. There's the mural walls, see any art exhibit, and don't miss the Lights at the LINQ show that goes on every half an hour. So now with all that money you saved, you can go bet it all on number 12 on roulette. Just kidding. I might have done that a few times. Anyways, big thanks to LINQ Promenade for making this video possible. Make sure to check them out when you're here. You guys, let me know, what is your favorite thing to do in Vegas? Come on, not everything that happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more travel videos, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye.